Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing and setup of the Smart Garden 9. So I recently just purchased this Smart Garden 9, and the reason why is one, I want to get into growing my own herbs and small vegetables. I was searching around online and this looked perfect to me. I love the design of it. I also got some extra pods to go along with the Smart Garden 9. So far I've only received the basil, but I am supposed to be getting some more tomatoes and some kale. Alright, so let's start the unboxing. So I like that it has its own light system and watering system. And as you can see, they have a ton of selection of other kinds of things that you can grow with your Smart Garden. They have tons of other veggies and herbs and also decorative plants. All right, let's open this up. Ooh. Okay, so first thing I see here are more of the pods. So when you order the Smart Garden 9, you will get 3 that are included. So you get the basil, mini tomatoes, and lettuce. And like I mentioned, I also ordered more basil, more tomatoes, and kale. So we'll just put these aside because we'll need them for later. Next is the light that is going to be sort of like the top handle here. There's some cords just like that there, the lighting. And then we've got the two, also part of the handles. This is to make it longer. These are like the extensions. And then we've got these covers, which I will show you what they are used for when we start to set it up. Then we've got the actual base of the whole thing. And I was searching around and there were a ton of different kinds of styles and models. There were ones that were like from other companies that were like a stainless steel, more of a rectangle square. But I like how I like this particular style and model from Click and Grow. So that's one of the reasons why we went with them. So let's set that down. And then the manual. Alright, now that we've got all the pieces out, let's start the setup. First we need to assemble the lamp. So we need to remove these little pieces here, these stickers. There are stickers on each side. So I'm going to remove the stickers. And just make sure to pay attention that they do say outside. So you want to make sure that that is part of the outside of the whole setup. So you want to face that outwards. So I'm going to remove this one and then place that here. And then remove the other one. Place that there. And then we'll grab this piece. And we need to remove one more sticker. It says, do not fit this without the lamp arms. Okay, there we go. Okay, so before I start putting the pods in, I actually labeled them, and you can use a dry erase marker, or you can use like a sticker or something, or a post-it note or a piece of paper with some tape. And you just take out the pod, it just clips in and clips out, and I labeled it as such. So I labeled the basil, tomato, and the lettuce. So now let's put the plant pods in. So first one here is going to be the basil. Just going to open this up. There's going to be some crumbs happening. These are what the pods look like. They're all ready to go. That's another reason why we got this, is because I didn't have to get the soil separately and the seeds separately. I could just order everything on the site, and they already have, these packaged and ready to go. So I'm just going to take out the cup and then remove the lid and then place a basil pod inside. There we go. That one is done. So we'll place the cap on that. And then we'll place it back in here. There we go. And so now let's do the next one. Open this up. Everything is pretty simple so far. There we go. There we go. Put that on. Place it in. And the last one of the basil. Plop. And then there we go. So now I'm gonna do this for the rest of them. I'm so excited to see these things grow. It's my first time gardening. Make sure when you put the lid back on that it's like the same way, because if you try and put it on and it's like that, then it's not gonna close. It has to be aligned with the label. Boom, and then there we go, we've got them all in. Now we want to take these little dome cups and place them on top. Again, you want to align this part, this part here with the label. You'll get what I mean when you try it out yourself. Put those on. Alright, so now we've got to water this thing. Now this thing takes 4 liters of water. So I have a water bottle here, and this is 1 liter, so I'm going to need 4 of these. And you pour them into the circular spot. And it says that you want to make sure that you don't overflow. And there's a little thing in here that's going to float, and you only refill it once it hits down to the bottom. So you want to make sure not to overwater your plants. So here we go. Let's fill this thing up. And that's 1. Alright, so we just finished the 4 liters. The water indicator is now floating to the top. Alright, so we've done everything. Now we just need to plug it in. Another cool thing is that right here where the cord is sticking out, you can just push it into the handle and that'll hide the cord, giving it a even sleeker design. So I'm just going to do that. Plug it in. Whoa! And then the lights just turned on. It's pretty bright. Alright, so a couple things to note is that when you do plug in your smart garden, you want to make sure that you plug it in the morning. Like if you have this near your bedroom or something, you're not going to have like a huge bright light. It's on for 2 cycles, so the lights will be on for 16 hours and then they'll turn off for 8 hours. So I'm going to be making more videos on my journey with the Click and Grow Smart Garden. This was just the unboxing and the setup. I will be documenting their growth and doing videos and vlogs. So if you guys are interested in checking out how these turn out, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. If you guys are interested in checking out the Smart Garden 9 and the individual pods, I will have a link to that down in the description below. So that was it. That was the setup of the Click and Grow Smart Garden 9. As you can see, it was really easy. I'm really excited for this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.